Tired of travel stress? Whether you're jet-setting around the globe or hitting the road for a weekend escape, packing smarter can change everything. In this video, we're diving into 30 insanely useful travel gadgets that are total game changers. From space-saving tools to clever organizers and power-packed tech, these genius inventions will make your trip smoother, lighter, and way more enjoyable. So buckle up. Your travel life is about to level up. Let's get into it. Number 1. BOSE SOUNDLINK Micro Bluetooth Speaker. Small in size, big in sound. The SOUNDLINK Micro delivers crisp audio with deep bass, all in a waterproof, rugged shell you can clip to your backpack. Whether you're on the beach, in a hotel room, or hiking a mountain trail, this speaker keeps your playlist going with up to 6 hours of battery life. Number 2. REIMOT Luggage Travel Cup Holder. No more juggling coffee cups at the airport. This clever sleeve slides over your suitcase handle and holds up to 2 beverages securely. With extra pockets for your phone or boarding pass, it's a hands-free dream for travelers on the go. Number 3. JetBag Padded Bottle Protector. Bringing wine or olive oil back from your trip? JetBag is a reusable padded sleeve designed to absorb shock and liquid in case of breakage. TSA approved and leak resistant, it keeps your suitcase and your souvenirs safe. Number 4. JISULIFE Handheld Mini Fan. Don't underestimate the power of this pocket-sized fan. With 3 speed settings, a built-in flashlight, and even a power bank feature, it's perfect for hot airports, summer festivals, or unexpected delays, and it folds flat for easy packing. Number 5. Lewis N. Clark Anti-Theft Neck Wallet. Keep your passport, cash, and cards hidden and secure with this slim RFID blocking neck wallet. It's breathable, adjustable, and nearly invisible under clothes, a top pick for crowded airports and tourist hotspots. Number 6. ZOPPEN Multi-Purpose Travel Wallet. This all-in-one passport wallet has room for your travel docs, cards, boarding pass, SIM cards, coins, and even your phone. With RFID blocking material and a sleek trifold design, it keeps everything in one stylish place. Number 7. POWERONI Charging Station Dock. If you travel with multiple devices, this 4-port charging dock is a lifesaver. It neatly charges phones, tablets, e-readers, and even cameras, all from one outlet. Bonus: the detachable bungee cords keep your cables from tangling. Number 8. THERMOPRO TP49 Digital Thermometer. Whether you're camping or staying in a remote Airbnb, this pocket-sized thermometer shows indoor temp and humidity with precision. Great for travelers sensitive to air quality or anyone visiting different climates. Number 9. Beats Flex Wireless Earphones. Affordable, lightweight, and perfect for long flights, the Beats Flex offer impressive sound, 12-hour battery life, and a tangle-free magnetic design. Ideal for casual listeners who don't want to risk losing their AirPods mid-transit. Number 10. RELAVEL Hanging Toiletry Bag. Unpack without the mess. This hanging bag has multiple zippered compartments, mesh pockets, and waterproof lining. Hang it on a hook or towel rack for easy access to all your travel toiletries. No digging through your suitcase. Number 11. Venture forth RFID Neck Pouch. Stay one step ahead of pickpockets with this slim RFID blocking travel wallet. Worn around your neck and hidden under clothing, it keeps your passport, cash, and cards safe. With multiple zippered compartments and breathable fabric, it's ideal for airports, crowded markets, and public transport. Number 12. ROCKETBOOK Core Reusable Notebook. Need to jot down notes or itineraries? This futuristic notebook lets you write with a pen, scan your pages with the app, then wipe them clean to reuse again. It's perfect for travel journaling or business trips, and it saves paper too. Number 13. TRAVLEON Anti-Theft Crossbody Bag. A stylish bag that's also smart. With slash-resistant straps, locking zippers, and RFID protection, this crossbody bag is made for city travel. It holds your phone, passport, wallet, and even a small tablet, all in a sleek, secure package. Number 14. Portable Door Lock for Hotel Rooms. Add a layer of security in seconds. This compact gadget slips into most hotel or Airbnb door frames, preventing unauthorized entry, even if someone has a key. Great for solo travelers or anyone wanting peace of mind. Number 15. ANKER SOUNDCORE Mini Bluetooth Speaker. Small enough to fit in your palm, but powerful enough to fill a hotel room with sound. The SOUNDCORE Mini gives you solid bass, Bluetooth connection, and 15 hours of playtime. Perfect for road trips or relaxing in your room. Number 16. BLAVOR Solar Power Bank with Flashlight. Stay charged anywhere, even off the grid. This rugged power bank charges via USB or solar and includes a built-in flashlight and compass. Whether you're camping or facing delays, it's an all-in-one backup essential. Number 17. HERSCHEL Supply Co. PACKABLE DAYPACK. This lightweight backpack folds into itself for easy packing but expands into a full-size day pack. Great for day trips, hikes, or just when you need extra space on the go. And it looks great too. Number 18. ANKER POWEREXTEND Travel Surge Protector. Hotel outlets can be limited or unsafe. This compact power strip has 2 AC ports, 2 USB ports, and built-in surge protection. It's a must-have for charging multiple devices safely in tight spaces. Number 19. BUBM Cable Organizer Travel Case. Stop digging through your bag for chargers and SD cards. This travel case has mesh pockets, elastic loops, and zippered compartments to hold all your cables, batteries, and tech accessories in one place. Number 20. Sleep Mask with Bluetooth Headphones. This 2-in-1 gadget blocks out light and plays soothing sounds or music while you sleep. With soft, breathable material and built-in Bluetooth headphones, it's perfect for planes, trains, or noisy hotel rooms. Number 21. BOSE Travel Cosmetic Case. Tired of digging through a messy bag for your skincare and makeup? The BOSE Cosmetic Case keeps everything in place with its spacious compartments and removable brush holder. The interior is spill-proof and wipeable because travel gets messy, and the hard shell keeps your beauty essentials protected during bumpy rides or tight luggage spaces. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a long-haul flight, this chic little cube helps you stay organized and selfie-ready. Number 22. Nimble Champ Pro Portable Charger. Forget bulky power banks. The Nimble Champ Pro is slim, fast, and made from recycled materials. With both USB-C and USB-A ports, it charges 2 devices at once, and fast. It supports high-speed charging for phones, tablets, and even some laptops. Plus, it includes a unique e-waste bag, so you can recycle old tech responsibly. Powerful, eco-friendly, and travel-friendly, all in your pocket. Number 23. Orbit Key Nest. This sleek, modular organizer doubles as a wireless charger. Inside, it stores your cables, cards, earphones, and tech accessories with a smart magnetic grid layout. On top, you can place your phone for wireless charging. No cords required. It's compact enough for travel, yet smart enough to keep your essentials stylishly in check whether you're on a flight or in a cafe. Number 24. LUMCube Mobile Creator Kit. If you're a vlogger or just love capturing memories on the go, this kit is a must. It includes a bright LED light, tripod grip, and mount for your phone or camera. Whether you're filming sunsets, hotel room tours, or airport hacks, LUMCube's lighting and portability boost your content instantly. It's lightweight and designed for travelers who want to create without carrying bulky gear. Number 25. KBO IncrediBelt. Not your average back support belt. The KBO IncrediBelt inflates to provide adjustable lumbar support during long flights or car rides. It improves posture, reduces pain, and deflates to fit in your bag when not in use. Especially helpful for frequent flyers or travelers with back issues. It literally has your back. Number 26. Matador Refillable Toothpaste Tubes. Say goodbye to wasteful single-use tubes. These refillable silicone toothpaste tubes are TSA-approved, eco-friendly, and designed for travelers. You fill them from your full-size tube at home, saving space and reducing plastic waste. Plus, the caps are secure, so no surprise leaks in your toiletry bag. Number 27. Tropic Feel Shell Backpack. This is the Swiss Army knife of travel backpacks. The Shell backpack has an adjustable 22 to 40-liter capacity with built-in compartments, a detachable wardrobe system, and waterproof materials. Whether you're hiking, flying, or hostel hopping, it adapts to your needs, keeping gear accessible and dry. It's like a suitcase and Daypack had a smart baby. Number 28. Jet Kids by Stocka Bedbox. If you're traveling with kids, this ride-on suitcase turns an airplane seat into a toddler bed. It stores their stuff, lets them scoot through the airport, and then transforms into a mini bed or leg rest on the plane. Less whining, more napping. It's a win for both parent and child. Number 29. Moft Z Sit Stand Laptop Desk. This origami-style laptop stand folds flat and fits in your backpack. But in seconds, it turns into a stable sit-stand desk with multiple height options, perfect for working on the go, whether in a hotel, cafe, or airport lounge. Lightweight but sturdy, it helps you stay ergonomic wherever you go. Number 30. Quick Flip Hero Hoodie. This hoodie turns into a backpack, literally. Wear it as a cozy pullover, and when it gets warm, flip it into a drawstring bag and carry your stuff. It's perfect for unpredictable travel days when the weather flips or you suddenly need extra space for souvenirs or snacks. And there you have it. 30 travel gadgets that prove smart packing isn't just about what you take, it's how you take it. Which one's going in your bag first? Let us know in the comments. If this list made your travel checklist a little smarter, hit that like button, subscribe for more genius gadget finds, and turn on the bell so you never miss a trip upgrade. Until next time, safe travels and smart packing.